Greetings from James Wright Cars, and today's video is 2016 on a 16 Jaguar XC R Sport all-wheel drive diesel automatic. This vehicle's done 13,000 miles from new. It's accompanied by a full Jaguar main dealer service history, which actually only amounts to one service, which has just been done, and it is in this resplendent condition, and it has a lovely specification. It is of course the four-wheel drive model, which is very handy for bad weather and for traction, and it is a Euro 6 indicated by this AWD DPF fill-up bottle here. Now it has one of those space-saving spare wheels. It also has a shiwi if you need one of those, and the full set of overmats there in the boot. The paintwork, as I say, is absolutely beautiful, and the condition of the alloy wheels is extremely good too. Matching tyres all round, and they are Pirellis. Internally it's full leather trim with white stitching, so it's black leather with white stitching, and looking into the carpets there deep in the floor there, I don't think it's ever really had much use at all. Running forward there you can see I have satellite navigation, one of those photogrammatic rear view mirrors, and the anthracite black headlining. For safety it has Isofix seats there in the back, and opening up here on the driver's door you can see we have electric rear and front windows and the opportunity to lock and unlock the car here. There's the mileage at 13,490 miles, and pressing the start button the car will burst into life. Very smooth, very quiet. Part of its extras list includes this heated steering wheel here. You can also set the cruise control from here, and it has paddle shifts for going up and down the gearbox. Menu and also voice command. Now, looking into the centre of the car, we have a superb sound system. Hope that will come to on the device that you're watching this on, and we can go to satellite navigation there and touch the screen to continue, and there it is. Going into reverse, and we have a reverse camera. Heated front and rear screens, dual zone climate, and we have one of these rotary gear knobs here, which comes up in the clocks when you're changing gear. R Sport is emblazoned on the bottom of the steering wheel, and pressing the seat button will give us the controls for the heated front seats. It has the high gloss piano black trim, and it has a row of buttons here which do things. There's another button here which is very useful, I'm sure, but it does also have an electric handbrake and, most importantly, cup holders. Looking further back into the centre armrest, we've got an UX thing and one that says nav. So it's already got nav, so perhaps that updates it, and it also has a USB port. The car's equipment list is quite extensive, but half of it I don't know because it's so complicated I can't work it out, but it certainly has other things like Bluetooth, and you can go into the cameras and all the various settings of the car for clever people unlike me. We have two keyless remotes there, and we have the registration document here. I can tell you the car is all HPI checked and clear. It's described as an XC R Sport diesel all-wheel drive automatic, and as far as I'm concerned it runs in two-wheel drive unless it needs the four-wheel drive, and it brings the front wheels in as and when required. It's only 123 grams per kilometre, so that'll currently cost you £120 a year to tax. The car is all HPI checked and clear because we've checked it, and I can tell you also in addition it has the lane keeping assist, so it shakes the driver's steering wheel at him or her if you're wandering out of lane. Very clever. It has the privacy glass rear of the side windows here, and the heated front screen and the heated steering wheel, and all in all those extras came to a grand total of £1,435. The paintwork, as I say, is astonishing. The interior condition is beautiful. It's certainly never been smoked in. Now we have a service report here done here by Kentdale Jaguar, a Shap Road at Kendal, and the car was serviced at 13,400 miles, and so that's only 90 miles ago, so it's just had its first major service, and it's still under manufacturer's warranty until the 24th of June 2019. But enough of me whittering on, let's go and see how it drives on the road. Well, underway, it's quiet, it's refined, it's very economical, and there's not a lot to choose in the XF and the XC. They're very similar in terms of size. Performance-wise, it's incredible with this new 2-litre diesel engine that Land Rover have produced. Let's go and have a quick look at it. And it's a 2-litre diesel Ingenium unit. Now, Jaguar and Land Rover spent millions of pounds developing this engine to produce ultra low emissions to compete with other manufacturers who I can't name, Volkswagen. Of course, not every other manufacturer was telling the truth at the time about their emissions, as we now all know. Now, you can get me on this telephone number running across the bottom of the screen here. We're also on Facebook and also Instagram at James Wright Cars. Don't forget, this is a Euro 6 car, so when charges come in terms of London, Manchester, Liverpool, Leeds, and all these city centres where they're intending to charge cars for not being Euro 6, this car will be exempt. Thank you very much for watching.